Subscribe to support and click on bell icon to get all latest notification.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is your Abhilash back. Today I'm gonna show you how to replace this burnal, and I'm gonna tell you how to find if your burnal has any issue where you need to be replaced. So it's a very old stove, and where it has some issues where the fire is coming from this part, so where it's not supposed to come, only from the holes which is available here, and this is the fire supposed to come, but the fire is coming from this part. It means it has a issue with this cup. So today I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot and how to replace this. So before guys proceeding with this video, I request you guys to please like my videos, comment on the comment section, do give your suggestions to me, and most thing help me in uploading more and more videos. So I need your support. Please do subscribe. If you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe. Click on the bell icon so where you can get all my latest notification and help me in uploading more and more videos, guys. And I need your support. Please help me in uploading more and more videos. As I told, please subscribe, like my videos, and do comment on the comment section. So let's begin this. I think I've given a more introduction about my channel, but I'm sorry. Let's proceed with this replacement process. So first, I'm going to tell you how to find out. I'm going to show you what is the issue which I'm facing with this. So guys, I'm gonna light this stove, and I'm gonna show you the issue which we are facing. So you can see this is how it normally stove is. When you keep a vessel on it, so the gas is coming from the other side. So you can see guys, wherein the gas is coming from the lower base in this direction, where I'm keeping my lighter, where this is very dangerous. And you can see from this part the gas is coming from here, which is from the burnal, and from here you can see the blue light. Let me just turn off the flash. I hope you can see. So now I think it's visible clearly. So you can see over here, so this part which is means you have to replace your, so where you can see the bottom of this cup, okay, here. So you can see the gas is coming like glowing from the outer part, not from the upper part. So this means you need to replace your burnal. So this is when it's dangerous. So you need to replace your burnal. You can see from this side, so this side it is perfect, but you can see on the one side over here, the left part, and this front part where there is some issue. It means you need to replace your burner. So this is how you will come to know when your gas burner has an issue. So what you have to do is you have to just remove this plate and everything, and get it replaced. Let me just remove all the part. Please use this cloth because it will be very hot now. So you can see over here, so there is a small notch over here. You need to remove that part. So when the entire set will come out, I'm gonna remove that now, and I'm gonna show you how to remove the cup. So guys, I know this stove is very dirty, but we are not using it where we have kept it apart, but I just wanted to show the troubleshooting of the burner. So just I have taken this stove out today where we wanted to use it for some emergency purpose. So then I have taken it out and saw this issue, and you can see over here there's a lot more gap. And first thing, you need to turn off your regulator. Once you turn off the regulator, just remove this screw lock from here, and you can see this is where the gas inlet is. The gas comes here and goes here, and it will start functioning. Use a cloth, just take it from here and just pull it down, so this particular part will come down. So it's hot now, so let me just take this apart. So guys, you can see now I have removed this old one. So you can see now I'm gonna show you the gap over here. So this particular part, you can see there is a lot more gap, and you can see there is some the burnel is out of the slot which has been given over here. Hence the gas is coming out, and you can the flame, you saw the flames are coming out. So wherein you have to just remove the cup of this, the old cup, okay, and take this particular bottom burner, this part, to a shop, so wherein all the vessel store will be having these cups, and you have to ask for the right cup for this. So wherein you can see I have bought a right cup, and this is a new one which I bought. This is of a brass, which costed me 150 rupees. Okay, I bought it from the normal mixie repair or electrical store, not an electronic. You have to go to electrical store where they'll be having this. So you can see. So I'm gonna place this now. You can see there is no gap over here. It has fitted inside, and you can see there is no gap over here. So it's tight. So this particular part is fitting and it's moving smooth, and there is no any excess over here. It's smooth now. So I'm gonna fit this. So this is how you can buy a new one, and this is how the correct burnal cap should be. So let's fit to the stove and see how it works when I bought a new one. And you can see the old one, I've just removed it and it's very hot. So I'm gonna take this new one, new set, I'm gonna install it to the stove. So guys, as I told you, first you have to insert this part, insert it up, push it up, okay, and then this slot you can see over here, down, this slot. So we're gonna just put it inside, and we're gonna thread this up. I'm gonna tight this. So we're gonna tight this. So once it's tight, so this upper part will be loose, okay, don't worry about that, but make sure this bottom part is tight. And I'm gonna just so now you can see, make sure this part will be loose, but this part should be tight and it should be steady, okay. And I'm gonna put this cup over here, the new cup which we have bought, and I'm gonna put the plates. I'm gonna put the plate, and we're gonna cover it up, and let's light it up and see. Okay, it's time to light. Okay, I forgot to turn on the regulator, and so you can see guys, now the flame is not coming from the bottom. So as I've showed in previously, you saw the flame was coming out. Let me just turn off the light. So you can see the flame is clear, the flame is not coming out. This is how a burnal should be, and now this is perfectly fine. So I hope this video was helpful to you guys. So please do like, subscribe, and help me in uploading more and more videos. And thank you so much for watching this, guys. Just follow this method and replace your burnal. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thumbs up.